Hello everyone, good day to you. You are welcome to the Don's Consult. A very quick one. I have a question here on electrolysis. I want to believe that we all can attend it. If you can attempt it, let's look at it together. The question says, what volume of oxygen measured at STP would be liberated during the electrolysis of dilute sodium hydroxide? All right, hydroxide solution by 9,650 coulombs of electricity. All right, I believe you can do that, but let's do it together. All right. One thing you must understand here first is, what is the electrolyte? The electrolyte is the sodium hydroxide. This is sodium hydroxide. Of course, when sodium hydroxide ionizes, it's going to give you sodium ion and hydroxyl ion. And of course, you know that every electrolyte is diluted in water. Is that right? To form a molten state. And when this water ionizes, it's going to give you hydrogen ion. You can put 2 here. And what? Hydroxyl ion. These 2 migrate to the cathode. We don't need it in this kind of question. There may be other question we need to know which one is preferentially discharged. But in this case now, what we need is these 2. And we know that 2 hydroxyl ion coming together is going to form what? Water. And when it forms water, it's going to liberate oxygen gas. It's this oxygen gas that is liberated that will have to measure the quantity that is formed. So the first thing you are going to do is to balance an equation that shows the formation of that water. And how do you go about that? See, hydroxyl ion to give you what? H2O plus what? Plus oxygen. So how do you balance this now? This is 2 hydrogen here. This is 3 oxygen. So the first to make the oxygen a round figure, which will be 4. That has increased hydrogen to also be what? 4. So to balance that, you put what? 4 here. So you can see that that is balanced. So we have balanced it atom-wise. In balancing ionic equation, you know, after balancing atom-wise, the next thing to balance electron-wise. How many electrons do you have on the left side? 4 ions here. How many do you have here? 0. So to balance, you have to bring 4 electrons here. So that have balanced it electron-wise. So we have to find the volume of this oxygen. So now you have to recall that 4 electrons, that means this one. All right, because 1 electron is equivalent to 1 Faraday. So 4 electrons will be equivalent to what? 4 Faradays. 1 electron is 1 Faraday. 4 electrons will be what? 4 Faradays. And 4 Faraday, what does it mean? It means 4 times 1 Faraday, which is 96,500 coulombs. So this is the information you are going to use. One more information that you need is to know that 1 molar volume of a gas equals to what? 22.4 dm cube. These are the informations that you need to solve this kind of problem. So the next is for you to now express this equation by saying 4 times 96,500 coulombs gave what? 1 volume of oxygen. And what 1 volume of oxygen? That is 22.4 dm cube. Is that right? And we are told from the question that the quantity of electricity used is 9,650. So now you bring it here. 9,650 coulombs gave what? Unknown volume of what? Of oxygen. That's what the question is saying. And this is of oxygen too. Okay? So the next is for you to do what? Express it mathematically. How do you express mathematically? You cross multiply. And when you do that, you are going to have x. You bring it out. X will be equals to what? 9,650 times 22.4 dm cube. Is that right? Of the oxygen. Mind you, this coulomb here. All over what? 4 times 96,500 coulombs. Is that right? So the first thing you do, this coulomb will cancel this coulomb. So punch with your calculator. All right. Okay. When you punch, you are going to discover that this one will give us 216,160. All right. All over. You punch this one too. That gives you 386,000. All right, so when you punch now, everything will be what? 0.56 dm cube of oxygen. Very simple. That's the solution to the problem. As simple as that. That's what we do here at the Don's Consult. We make every chemistry question or topic for you simpler. All right, I hope you understand that. Go and try it. I want to give you the one you are going to do. Look at this one. Do it. Bring it up to the comment section. If you do it very well, you can even show us the workings. But if you cannot show the working, let us have the answer, and I will be at the comment section to check who scores it correctly or not. Look at the question. It says 1,400 cm cube of oxygen was liberated at STP during an electrolytic process lasting 4 hours. Calculate the amount of current that has passed through the electrolyte using a molar volume at STP equals 22,400. That's 22,400 cm cube. All right, I believe you can try it. So try it. Let's have what you got, and that is what we do at the Don's Consult. Please recommend this page to your friends, recommend it to your children, recommend it to your colleagues, and of course, any question you have, you can bring it to the comment section of any topic at all. We will be glad to do that. That is our job here at the Don's Consult. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, and share it. Thank you. See you in the next episode.